Welcome back to my channel once again. Today quickly I'm going to be showing you how to create and set up a Facebook page. So the first thing you want to do is quickly you want to go to facebook.com, and then of course you must have logged in your page, and then you see your environment like this. Okay, now if you like, you can change this view to a kind of a light view. I actually choose to leave my page in dark mode. So if you like, you can come to this place, display and accessibility, you can turn it off to be white, and you can make it black. I think white is better. Let's work with white. All right, so at this end you're going to see something like your name, your friends, and all of these details, but this is what we're interested in, the page. So I'm going to click on page. Okay, so right after clicking on page, you are going to see list of pages you already created in the past. For us, we have 9 here. You can see your 9 pages. You can scroll down and see all of the 9 pages, and then you can just create from here. Just click on create new page. The next thing you want to do is to choose a name for your page, which Facebook will in turn show you if the name is available. After you type the name, just click any empty space out. You could see this check mark telling you that this name is available, so you can move on to what category is this name you are creating. Because of course, before you create a page, the intention is a business page, right? So you want to know what category is your business. So for us, we want to choose information and technology, and then as the case may be, you might have 2 or 3 categories you might want to choose. So you might want to choose, maybe for example, maybe tech, and maybe engineering services. Ours is just 1, so we are leaving it at 1. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is describe your page. Quickly you're going to type something. Again, here you can decide to write a lot of things, but for us we are going to write a very short story or description. This is the official Dominant page. FB, which means Facebook page. Alright, so that is that. We are cool with this. And then the next thing you want to do, you want to quickly just type in or click on create page. Okay, so you wait a while Facebook do the magic. You can see it's loading here. Domina was created. Now we can add images and all of that. So now the page has been created, and then we can start to now do a kind of customizing and all of that. So what we can do, that we can see that under here, right? We can add profile picture. For our case, we have a logo already created for this purpose, so we are going to locate our logo, trying to look for our logo, Dominant logo, and we upload the logo. I think it's somewhere around here. I have logo design somewhere here. Okay, so this is it here, single logo PNG. We're going to upload that, and you can see the view here, how it looks like, description, and then we want to add a kind of cover page, a kind of cover art design. We have something like that right here too. We have something like, let's use this. It's for YouTube cover, but we can still use it on Facebook. Okay, so it's loading. Good. We should see our display behind this page now, right? This is looking nice, right? Okay, then we're going to save this. We are now interacting as Dominant. Okay, our page has been successfully created, and then we can decide to go ahead and add phone numbers and other details. So that is how you set up your Facebook page basically, and every other thing you can work your way around and trying to check them and see how you go about them. It's quite simple to do these things, and you shouldn't find it very difficult to do the rest stuff here. Alright, you might need to invite your friends and all of that from here. Another thing, you might need to set up your page. You know, you're going to take it one step after another. For this place, we've set up 5 out of 13, so you might need to take them one after the other. You just provide the details by here, and then just like that until you are done. Then your Facebook page is now fully set up, you know. Okay, so for this place, let's see what we can do quickly. Okay, let's say we can add our location. Let's just use the default address here, Nigeria. This is done already. You have change has been saved. You can see it here. So we leave here and go back to the next thing. We close this, you can see, and then enter website. Our website is Dominant. Okay, again, these things are what makes your Facebook page more, you know, authentic, and people tends to relate with people who has official provision in form of their website, their email address, their number, and all of that. It makes interacting with the page much easier. So, and makes customer gets to trust you easily because you have a kind of official page in which when they click on the website, it's available. When they send an email to this email, is going. So it makes your business legit. So aside registering your business with CAC, you can consider having a website and all of that. So if you need that, you can drop a comment below. I guide you on how to do that, and we can get it done for you as well. Okay, so I think for now, let's go back to the steps again. You can see now we've now completed 7 steps out of 13. Just like that is how you set up every other thing, and then you are good to go. Alright, thanks for checking up on our page. If you find this content very useful, you might want to subscribe for other content in the future. Thank you once again.